So hello guys, and I have some squishies here. And it's my squishy collection, and I'm just starting making YouTube videos. And so this is gonna be my first, and I'm gonna work up to getting more squishies and collecting them. But this is all I have for now. And I do have siblings that mess my squishies up, but here you go. Okay. So come over here. So I'm gonna set it up right here. Actually, hold it, okay? Wait, your fingers are over. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this panda squishy I have. It's not like it's ripped and stuff. Like there, I have to do some squishy makeovers. There's a rip. There's a rip. There's a rip. There's a rip. And there's a rip. I feel bad for this guy. He just got tore up. But he is so squishy. I got him off Amazon. And he is just the squishiest thing. He's like probably the second squishiest squishy I have. Okay, I'm gonna put him over here. Then I have these two squishies we got from the dollar store yesterday. This one is a sleeping one, and this one is like rich in the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one. It's like really slow rising. I love the texture and stuff. And you can hang it on your backpack, and it's really cool. So that's the sleepy one. And then we have the rich eyes. He's also really slow rising. Sorry, my cousin's crying in the background. And they like the color difference. This one's a little bit lighter yellow, and this one's more darker yellow. Okay, moving on. So we have this unicorn. I got more. I just kind of don't know where they are. But I got this because at my dad's Christmas, he got me this big box with Walmart squishies. It was a lot, So, this squishy is so slow rising. This is like the most slow rising squishy I have. It just takes forever. I'm just waiting for it to go up. It's taken forever. It's almost done. It's almost done. Sorry, my nails look really ugly. Okay, it's pretty much done. But this is just the slow rising squishy. The slow rising squishy I have. Squishy. Oh my gosh, I sound like Miranda sings. Okay, I'm gonna squish it down. That's just so squishy. Okay, I'm not gonna wait for it to slowly rise up. Okay, so I have this emoji squishy. There's a crying face one for you're so happy you're crying. And this hard eyes one. It got ripped in so many places. I feel bad for this little guy. Like I said, I have siblings that mess with my stuff. And I'm just working on keeping them put up in my drawer. I hope my brothers and sisters don't watch this. So we have this squishy, and it's pink.
I used to have a panda one, but somebody stole it at school. And it got ripped a couple times.
It's so, it's so big it's hard to squish. Squish. See, it has like there, and the crack. There. The peeling is coming off.
Why did you do that?
I didn't do it.
I know. Why did you move
There's
it
more
down?
on the back. It's just tore up. Okay, and then we have this squishy I got in the package. I don't know where this little friend went. Like if you got these, you know what I'm talking about. But it's hard. But I think I just haven't had it for long. It's just hard. I think it's just like really stiff, and I think it'll wear out.
It smells like something.
It smells like pancakes, honestly. It really does. It smells like pancakes. I don't know why. And then we have this strawberry. He only got ripped there. But this is like my favorite squishy besides the panda, because when you squish it, it's like so cool. You know how those YouTubers have those big oranges and watermelons? I want one of those. They're like so big and fluffy. But this is kind of like it, but you can tell it's made out of the same thing. But it's really squishy. Ready? Here it comes. Oh my gosh. It's not so slow rising, but it's actually pretty good. And it smells like all squishes, but you can smell the scent. Like, I can't really describe it. The scent smells like regular, but it smells like it has like a touch of cherry.
Yeah, let me smell. Yeah, it kind of does.
So, and then I'm going to just go back over these and see the ones I didn't smell. I forgot to smell mostly all of them. So, this one, it really don't smell like nothing. I really don't, because like under here, that's like the actual thing, but you can tell they painted over, and so I don't smell nothing, but I smell like, it smells in the foam like a cleaning, you know, like the Clorox stuff.
Yeah, let me smell.
It smells like that stuff.
Yeah.
It really does, huh? But it smells refreshing. This one, this is just gonna, I already know it's gonna smell like Play-Doh squishy because I've smelled this before. Well, it smells like Play-Doh squishy, but it has like a smell. It smells like watermelons, I guess you can say.
Watermelons.
You smell it. I have to smell this one.
Okay, let me smell that one. It doesn't smell like the leg.
It don't smell like nothing, honestly.
Yeah. So, yeah, nothing.
And then I have two more emoji ones. So, it smells like pancakes too. It really does. Or like French toast or something.
French toast.
I just had French toast this morning, actually. And then there's the other one.
You did taste it too.
It also smells like pancakes. But if you enjoyed this video, then give it a big fat smack thumbs up
And subscribe.
and subscribe. Shout out to my camera lady, I guess you could say, cameraman. Her name is Bella. Shout out to her. And now it's time for my favorite part. So this is my first video. Did they just see my face? No.
No.
Okay, this is my first video, and I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big fat smash. Thumbs up, I guess. And subscribe.